how to play games with your friends on Facebook Messenger. So if you want to play games with your friends on Facebook Messenger, then first you need to open up your Messenger application and go with a chat. Once you're under the chat, now you need to go with the bottom left, which has that plus icon. Tap on plus and you will have play games option. Tap on play games, and from here you can simply choose any game that you would like to play. So I'll be choosing the first game, which is Words with Friends. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, now you just need to simply tap on play on Facebook, which is on the bottom, and it will load. Just wait for a few seconds or a few minutes till it loads, and that's it. Now you can simply go with the computer or you can go with your friends. You can simply go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then tap on share and share it to your friends. Once you share it to your friends, then if the friend opens that link, they will be redirected to this page and you'll be able to play with your friends. So that's how you can play games with your friends on your Facebook Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.